Hi there! Now that you have reviewed your sourced candidates and bookmarked the most relevant ones, let's explore the comparison table where you can view all shortlisted candidates side by side. The comparison table provides comprehensive insights into your sourced candidates, offering a complete overview of their backgrounds. It enables you to efficiently compare profiles and identify the most suitable candidates to bookmark for the next stages, all without the need to open multiple profiles or browser tabs. Let's take a look at what's inside. Each column presents key information designed to help you quickly assess each candidate's fit at a glance. Full name displays the candidate's full name, along with a direct LinkedIn link enabling you easily view their profile for verification or outreach purposes. AI Summary provides an extended AI-generated overview from Talenta, highlighting the candidate's most relevant experience, skills, and achievements aligned with your role requirements. Skills lists all key technical and soft skills mentioned in the candidate's profile that are relevant to your role. Experiences displays the candidate's current job title along with their employment duration. Total years of experience automatically calculated by Talenta based on the candidate's career history. Education displays the candidate's academic background, including university, degree, and graduation year details. Certifications lists all professional certifications included in the candidate's LinkedIn profile. Languages displays the languages that candidate is proficient in, along with their corresponding proficiency levels. And location indicates the candidate's current place of residence or work. Above the table, you'll find a set of control buttons designed to simplify navigation and enhance the comparison process. Reset restores the table to its default state by clearing any adjustments made to sorting, column visibility, or zoom. Expand rows enlarges each candidate's profile view to reveal the candidate's LinkedIn About section content, additional less role-specific skills, and more detailed information about previous work experience. Bookmark toggle filters the view to display only your shortlisted candidates, the ones you have previously bookmarked. Export table to Excel. Instantly download the complete comparison sheet with all visible details, ready to share, present, or store for future reference. Show Hide columns allows you to select which columns to display, enabling a cleaner and more focused view of your data. Zoom adjust the zoom level, allowing you to fit more profiles and columns on the screen or enlarge the text for improved readability. Reset zoom instantly restores the table to its default scale 100% after you have zoomed in or out. And close the table closes the comparison table and returns you to the previous view, displaying the candidates list. And if you'd like to move forward, click the Assess Bookmark Candidates button to proceed to the next step directly without returning to the previous view.